Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are from FedRide Company. In today's opportunity, we're about to present to you our stockholder report. Okay, next. Okay, first of all, let's meet our founder. My name is Maulana Faris Baharudin as President or CEO. Then we have Mr. Bangun Robiarto Aldi as VP Sales Management. There is Mrs. Irna Faridatul as Accounting and Finance VP. Then Mrs. Lindsay Shafa as VP Business Analytics. And the last one is Mrs. Tarisa Diva as VP Marketing. Next. Okay, move to our company profile. We have a vision and mission. Our vision is to become a reliable bicycle industry player and present the best quality. Then our mission is to producing, distributing, and marketing bicycle that have the best quality with high added value in order to provide a memorable cycling experience for consumer. Now let's review FedRide Company performance data for the last 2 years. There are some points we're about to review. First, there is a balance scorecard, finance performance, and etc. Next. Okay, here is our balance scorecard. We can see the balance scorecard, which is indicated by the Tosca color. Fed has slightly increased from quarter 6 into quarter 7 by reaching 0.5%. Other side, on the cumulative balance scorecard, indicate the same increases on 0.5%. Next. Now we're moving to the cumulative result of the 8th quarter. There are none of the result that is 0 or below 0. The highest result is on the financial performance at 18.154%. Okay, next. Now let's move to the performance report during the 2nd year. On the finance performance, our company has increased from quarter 6 into quarter 8. On the market performance, our company slightly decreased from quarter 6 into quarter 7. You can see on the graph beside me. Then, but it increased from quarter 7 into quarter 8. Same on the manufacturing productivity, our company has a massive increase on the quarter 6, but then slightly decreasing on quarter 7, but then increase again on quarter 8. But now the increase on quarter 8, the result is better than on the quarter 6. Okay, next, Mr. Robiarto.
Okay, my name is Bang Roberto Aldi as a VP Sales Management. Okay, now let's review our key feature of the business plan that presented to investor. There are 5 topics I'm about to review, such as marketing strategy, sales channel, human research strategy, manufacturing strategy, and financial strategy. On this slide, we can see the key feature of marketing strategy. First, the total demand of Feds, the total demand has significant increase on quarter 6 into quarter 8. Then we move into internet marketing budget. We increase our budget on quarter 8 so we can maximize our marketing program. Next, we have market share. Our company market is having stagnancy, but it slightly increased on quarter 8. The last one is our company average price. Our average price increased on the 3rd quarter, then increased again until the 8th quarter around the 1,200. And from this slide, I will presenting our sales management. Total of our sales people is 26, with total sales contest is 19,701 and 1,334 on total for professional training program. From the graphic, you can see we have significant increase on the sales people, but then we decide to minimize our sales people due to our customer demand. In this slide, the sales channel strategy first is total expenditure. In this slide, the sales channel strategy first is total expenditure. On demonstration kit strategy, the total is 81,015. Next is the salary and training cost of each stores, and the last one is the impact our expenditure on demonstration kit strategy.
Hello, my name is Irna Faridatul Hasana as VP Account and Finance. Here is our result of the financial strategy. Here you can see our HEX revenue is around 7 million, gross profit is around 3 million, and net income is around 1 million. Next. Here is the graphic from the result of our financial. Here is the graphic from the result of our financial strategy. We can see from the graphic our company has a massive increase on quarter 6, then move again until quarter 8. Our massive increase is on the total asset turnover. This increase happened because we add our fixed capacity due to our company's massive demand. Next. Now I am about to review our assessment of business strategy and performance. There are 4 topics in this segment. Next. First is the comparison of action taken. Here we can see the comparison of action that we take on each quarter. Next. Here is the result. The total asset of our company is always increasing on each quarter. In the last quarter, our total assets were around $2,512,000. Next. Here we discuss departure from the business plan and justification. Brand profitability and ad copy adjustment. Brand judgment from recreation bike are low. Therefore, it is way more profitability if we use our cash for average cost payment because it is getting more expensive since it's by R&D. Next. Review significant events that affected the company and our market. Some of the things that affect our company is the acceptance of R&D and licensing. In quarter 5, we booked 2 R&D, namely pedal power phone or device charger and large mesh folding tote basket. Then in quarter 6, we have licensing with Befair company. Then in quarter 7, we booked back the licensing to the company. With the licensing and R&D cooperation, it is what makes our company's big product more attractive to the public because of their good specification and affordable price.
Hi, my name is Lindsay Sapa Camila as VP Business Analytics. In this slide, I will explain about our review cost relative to performance for key performance indicator. Here you can see our projected and actual demand revenue and others. For the result of the gross profit, we are beyond from our projection by reacting $1,397,000. Next. Is our review cost relative to performance for key performance indicator. We achieved 2 trophy. 1, significant sales, and 2, no more red. Next. How can we achieve or not achieve our goals? And why our performance was better or weaker than expected? We achieve our goals because there is none of our balanced scorecard that 0. Our highest score is at 18.154 on our financial performance. Based on our income statement, we achieve a significant improvement from minus into positive, and the last one, we achieve 2 trophy for significant sale and no more red. Next. Summary of how we have prepared our company to compete in the future. 1. Make a better teamwork. 2. Better understand market condition. 3. Increase creativity and product innovation. And 4. Willing to take risks. Next.
Hello, I'm Tarisa Diva, SVP Marketing. I will explain what were the listening learning. Next. A benefit we are from the participant in the simulation. In the simulation, we learn about market conditions that often change due to several aspects. So we are equipped to make decisions quickly. In addition, we also learn to work together and coordinate at the same time. Next, B. Listen we can take into the designers' work. Discussion making has a very lyric impact and must be considered careful so that there are no wrong steps that lead to suboptimal performance and even designers failure. Understanding consumers' desires and controlling market movement need to be emphasized so that our company can develop and be in line with the current trend. Thank you. Any question?
Okay, first question from Segara, Ginadia.
Okay, thank you. Hello, my name is Nadia Saputri. I'm from Segara Company. My question is, as we can see from the report, why your company didn't add a new model for a new segment on quarter 7 above?
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Gina from Segara for your question. Okay, let me answer your question. Why we didn't add a new model or new segment? Because we are focusing on the research and development for the previous model. So we can add a better quality bike with, of course, a low prices for consumer. Besides that, the demand for the previous model is still high. There is a high demand on the previous model, especially on the work Fiat 002 and speed Fiat 002. Hope it can answer your question, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Gina from Segara for your question. Okay, Miss Dea from IceMod.
Okay, thank you for your time. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Diana Vardana. I am from Exmod Company. I will ask to your company, how do you solve the problem of out of stock? And if you look at, you should still be able to maximize sales.
Okay, thank you, Miss Dea. I will answer. We just that production and continue and increase capacity in the next quarter, but it is still not optimal, so it is still repaired, but get a continuous increase.
Okay, thank you for your answer.
Okay, any question from another participant? Okay, Mr. Ardian from Prefere.
Okay, hello. My name is Ardian. I'm from Prefere Company. Does your company intend to expand in the following years? Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your question, Mr. Adian from Prefere. Let me answer your question. Okay, based on the result after 8 quarter and then based on the market share, our consumer demand in each country, our company intend to expand in other regions for the next following years because we see an opportunity in many segments and many regions. Okay, hope it can answer your question, Mr. Ardian. Okay, thank you for your participation. Okay, that is our presentation for today. We do hope that you consider our proposal and choose us as your investment over any other firm. Here at Fiat Company, we'll try our best to exceed your expectation and become the best company out there. Thank you for your kind attention and have a good day. Thank you, everyone.